This is my Durandal. I'm gonna smite someone. Oh. Yeah, Channel 5. I have always adored brands that put their heart and soul into their products rather than just simply making products for the sake of it, like releasing an IEM every other week, that sort of thing. Today we have in the studio the Durandal from Notstalgia Audio, a creation clearly built with a lot of heart. Notstalgia Audio was set up to craft fun and unique things that evoke a sense of nostalgia. That said, I gathered that when I met Adrian a few months back in Taipei. Like me, they enjoy doing silly things such as playing Beyblades. We were supposed to have a battle in Hong Kong at CanJam HK, but unfortunately, I couldn't make it. Anyhow, today we will be diving into their latest IEM, the Durandal. Starting with an unboxing, from the moment you see the packaging, it is clear that a lot of effort went into this. The front of the box features a battlefield scene with one man left standing. The blue sword depicted here is the legendary Durandal, tying perfectly to the beautiful blue shade of the IEM chassis itself. On the back of the box, you will find the story of the Battle of Ronclavaux, which adds to the mythos of Durandal. It's French, okay, so forgive me. One side of the box features a cute sword that serves as a handle for removing the sleeve, a thoughtful detail that adds a lot of character. Inside the box, you are then greeted by a leather mat. A very nice touch. This idea comes from the packaging design of Vortex Cables, as the Durandal was created in collaboration with them as well. I love how this collaboration extends even into the packaging. So this product is done, between Notstalgia and Vortex. Beneath the mat, you'll find the stunning IEMs themselves, a metal hockey puck case, and a serial number card. Mine is proudly numbered 69 because, well, 69 is a nice number. You know why. The hockey puck case is lined with silicone, showing the attention to detail that went into this product. Here is where it gets really cool. You also get a commemorative coin, and it just doesn't stop there. The accessory pack included in this earphone includes a cable holder and some extra bits, but there's also a coin holder. So this is such a fun and unexpected addition. Of course, I won't be using it, but it's just nice to have. Of course, the Durandal is paired with Notstalgia Audio's very own XWB ear tips, which I thoroughly enjoyed. It also comes with the Symbio W ear tips. Between the two, just stick with the XWB, it's much better. Build quality. The Durandal features a traditional custom universal shape, but what sets it apart is its 3D beautifully layered faceplate. The intricate depth of the design is remarkable, with purple foil that overlays that creates a stunning 3D effect. The design is capped off with a sword motif on the top, and the bezel is beautifully engraved as well, adding to the overall elegance. The royal blue chassis is semi-transparent, allowing you to see the driver configuration inside, a detail I always appreciate. Inside, the Durandal is packed with one dynamic driver, two bone conductor vibrators, and four balance armatures, creating a unique tribrid design. The included Roland cable, okay, this Roland is in French, so I'm just pronouncing it Roland as Roland, okay? It's crafted by the esteemed Vortex Cable using single crystal silver. It features a beautifully woven finish with hints of purple, pink and blue, perfectly complementing the chassis. The build quality is also really premium. Sound. The Durandal offers a classic V-shaped sound signature that will appeal to many listeners. Its choice of drivers allows it to stand out while maintaining excellent balance. Sonically, it carries the emotions of the music while delivering impressive technicalities. Bass. The bass is well balanced in relation to the mids and treble. Sub-bass, it's really impressive, effortlessly reaching the depths of the lows and adding gravitas when needed. Mid-bass is dynamic and explosive, providing satisfying punch and energy. I think by now you would probably know that I prefer quality over quantity when it comes to bass, and the Durandal simply delivers just that. It renders bass details beautifully, making the overall presentation feel full and engaging. What makes the Durandal's mid-range special is its use of bone conduction vibrators, which gives it a unique tonal quality. It sounds like a wider version of a balanced armature presentation, a brilliant execution. Vocals are realistic with a broader soundstage compared to the pinpoint focusedness of traditional balanced armature sounds. Instruments are spacious and positioned with excellent precision. The mid-range scales really well with better sources. It was very apparent when I swapped from the weak EPZ TP35 to the Lotupo GT2. That was a big jump. Next up, treble. Treble extension is excellent for a balanced armature. While it doesn't have the ethereal quality of electrostatic drivers, it performs exceptionally well in its own very category. The treble is airy, detailed, and non-sibilant, making it ideal for long listening sessions. Its smooth delivery is a highlight, offering technical precision and listening comfort. Soundstage. Firstly, when it comes to width and height, the Durandal's clean presentation gives it a very spacious soundstage, akin to a small concert hall, remarkable for an IEM. Depth and positioning. The dynamics contribute to the great depth, while treble extension enhances positioning. On the whole, it is really fantastic for binaural recordings. So when it comes to comparisons, there is one IEM that I really want to compare with the Durandal, and that is the 64 Audio TR Trio. For those of you who know me, the TR Trio is one of my favorites. It is a more aggressively V-shaped compared to the Durandal, which takes a more moderate approach. Both IEMs are similar in technicalities, though the Trio offers more bass and treble. However, they both have rather unique approaches to the mid-range. The TR Trio uses open balance armature drivers, creating a larger soundstage, and that's the whole point of TR. So from the initial point, the hole is bigger, so there is a wider stage, right? Now the Durandal achieves a similar effect through the use of bone conduction vibrators. If you prefer a more coloured sound, the TR Trio might be your pick. But for more balance and versatility, I think the Durandal takes the cake. And finally, rating. So, for bass, this is one that you get really good sub-bass. And mid-bass is very dynamic. It gets a strong 8.5. Mid-range, it's simply very wide and expansive and very realistic. Another 8.5. Treble is airy and extended. It gets an 8. I do prefer electrostatic treble, but it's pretty good as well. Resolution, it has really good clarity, and that gets an 8. And lastly, soundstage. It is simply spacious and wide. So it gets a 7.5. And finally, in conclusion, the Durandal is clearly a product made by a team that genuinely enjoys what they are doing. It's crafted with care and thought rather than simply being churned out like some mass market product that you see them being released in market every other week. From the packaging to the sound, every aspect exudes passion and effort. This is a product that impressed me through and through, and I can't wait to see what Notstalgia Audio has in store in the future. With that said, I hope to see you guys soon. By the time you see this video, I'm currently in India. Yeah, so you'll see me on Headphone Connect on the Sunday. If you're there, I'll ask you to watch this video. So yeah, if you came to the show and went home after the event and you're watching this video, thank you guys so much. You're such a lovely person. I want to give you 5 stars, an imaginary high five if I can. With that said, I'll see you in NYC in like 2 weeks time, I think. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching the Super Audio Show. I sound a bit off because I'm also sick, but that's okay because you guys are great. I'll see you guys soon.